two cutting-edge AI models. One showdown, which one actually leads the pack. On one side, we have DeepSeek, the rising star in open-source AI. On the other, Qwen, the powerful new contender from China's tech giants. We'll put them head-to-head on language understanding, coding skills, reasoning, speed, cost, and more, so you get the real picture. No marketing jargon, just what you need to know. We'll award points for each category, and when it's over, you'll see a clear winner. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, here's the lay of the land. We're going to compare these two on model quality, inference speed, multilingual capability, open source options, and the whole ecosystem of model sizes. Kinda covers all the bases, right? Let's start with how smart and capable these models really are. So, first, model quality. DeepSeek? Oh man, it's got some serious brain power. If you care about coding, reasoning, or just want something close to GPT-4 or Gemini 1.5, DeepSeek is scary good. The one thing is, it does best in English and gets a little less sharp with languages off the beaten path. Meanwhile, Qwen is the absolute king when it comes to Chinese tasks, it just crushes it. Their new Qwen 2 update actually made some huge leaps, but the English isn't quite keeping up with the very top dogs. So for overall brain power, DeepSeek's just a bit ahead here. Next, let's talk speed. DeepSeek is optimized to the max. Seriously, the engineers dialed it in for fast inference, so if you've got big, complicated prompts, it chews through them fast. The only catch? If you're running the really giant models, you'll need some beefy hardware. Qwen's no slouch though, especially on new hardware. It's just that the Qwen 2 big models can get a little complicated for smaller setups. But in a straight-up race, DeepSeek's still in front. Alright, onto multilingual stuff. Here's where it gets interesting. DeepSeek handles 20 or more languages pretty confidently. It's not just Chinese and English, though English is definitely where it shines the most. Now, Qwen is hands down the best for Chinese. Nobody's gonna argue that. But honestly, they made some big jumps in English and other Asian languages too. For all-around multi-language support, I'd say, you know what? Neither of them really wipes the floor with the other. So let's call this a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know, Qwen 2. Yeah, that's from Alibaba. It actually hit number 1 on the Open LLM leaderboard in 2025. That's not bad for an open model, right? Now, open source and licensing for me, this is where Qwen really pulls ahead. DeepSeek lets you play around for research and you can grab the weights and all that, but if you want to use it in your business, especially certain versions, you'll probably want to read the licensing fine print. Qwen, though, just went all in on open source. Qwen 2 and Qwen Mini are super business friendly. Tons of companies already jumped on board. Just watch for some minor region rules here and there, but overall, Qwen is the clear winner if you want open access. Ecosystem and model sizes. If you love choices and flexibility, this one's kinda fun. DeepSeek gives you pretty strong performance at popular sizes. You've got 7B, 33B, and 67B options, and even some cool specialty models for vision or coding. But it's mostly focused on a few main types. Qwen? They're dropping everything from tiny 0.5B models up to a massive 72B, and they've got code, chat, multimodal, you name it. Some things are still new or in preview, but if you want a giant playground to tinker with, that's totally in Qwen's favor. So let's look at the big picture. DeepSeek is way up there for raw AI firepower and speed, while Qwen's ecosystem and licensing are just way more flexible. Multilingual? That's a close one, but Qwen edges ahead when it comes to Chinese. DeepSeek wins on Western languages, and they kind of balance out overall. If you're building anything global or focused on next-level dev tools, I'd go DeepSeek all day. But if you care about Chinese language markets, or just want something open, business-friendly, and with lots of models to experiment with, Qwen's a no-brainer. Still, overall, for most users, DeepSeek slightly edges it out as our winner. But man, Qwen comes close. If you found this actually helpful, definitely hit that bookmark. You won't want to miss our next LLM showdown.